Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another vlog. I'm Dinesh and this is Cranks and Pistons. So it's time now. As you saw in the last video, we're looking for a replacement for the SLK. We checked out a few cars. I'm leaning towards the Beamer. It's really amazing. The car is in very good condition. It looks beautiful. Got nice rims. And I'm selling this car for a couple of reasons. One, it's been a year already. We've had enough fun in it. I think it's time to let it go. Move on with the game. Try some other car. Learn more about other cars. That's what the channel is about, right? And the second reason is for my pup Dom. He doesn't like this car because he doesn't have his own seat. He doesn't have a private seat in the car, and that is a big problem. He cannot sit in the front. He's not able to fit in. He's growing really fast. So we have to get a car with a back seat at least, at the minimum. Yes, the Beamer is a two-door car, but it's got back seats. So at least he'll have his own space to sit down. So join me for the last ride in the SLK 350. Let's go. Yeah! Come on in. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, this is not just going to be a last drive. We're going to go drop off the car to the new owner now too. We're going to go meet her right now. Give her the keys, give her the car, do the necessary paperwork, and it's done. Oh, and if you guys are fans of Need for Speed Most Wanted or any of the racing games, there's a tiny bit of road that's coming up that's all set up just like the game. Check this out, you guys. It's all marked in. Tiny roads, very precision driving. Alright guys, we are here. This is Sinette. She's
Hi.
buying the SLK.
Oh, so excited.
We're gonna go for a first drive now. Let's go for it.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, all done. Sinette loves the car. Sinette?
Yes, absolutely.
Comments?
I'm all the happy girl.
Yeah, you're gonna enjoy this now. A last look at the SLK with the SL plates. Bye love. Done. It's farewell to the SLK. Everything is finished. We're gonna go do all the government paperwork soon. But she's a happy girl. She's gonna enjoy the car. And we're gonna go look for the replacement now. Hopefully it turns out to be the Beamer. So do stay tuned, you guys. If you haven't yet, smash the subscribe button, tap the like button, and until the next time, peace.